Polyurethane vehicle wrap films are a relatively new innovation in the wrap industry. They're different than traditional PVC films in formulation, installation, and performance expectations. When managing the difference between polyurethane and vinyl, it's essential to consider that each type of film requires a different approach to heat and tension during application.
As always, a successful wrap begins with a street-cleaned vehicle, followed by a more detailed cleaning. Treat any contaminants like bugs, tar, tree sap, etc. with the appropriate cleaners, but always finish with isopropyl alcohol on the surface and edges. When prepping to install polyurethane films, there are some key areas you need to pay special attention to, like edges and corners, sliding door rails, and the gaps by the fuel door. Tight gaps between the fenders, bumpers, headlights, taillights, hinges, and even small grooves like this by the license plate, as well as wider gaps by the doors and fenders, are all prone to lifting and need to be carefully cleaned. Vital vehicle wrap films make tension lines like these flatten easily with the balance to mold technique, while wide open curves like these smooth out effortlessly as the same balancing technique levels them out. After trimming along an edge like this, it's critical to stabilize the uninstalled edge using the balance to stabilize technique. The tension in the film is released using medium heat, which then leaves the film ready to be applied and then post-heated. Arlon recommends using the inside first method for inset panel applications. Begin working the film from the center of the panel out to the edges, being careful not to stretch it in any way. Then, secure the corners. Use the balance to mold technique to first flatten the tension lines, then level the film over the curve of the vehicle and complete the application.
Recognizing the differences between polyurethane and vinyl wrap films will help you choose the correct techniques to achieve high-quality results and customer satisfaction.